fast start. Where do I start? 4 months old.
In this video, you're going to learn reasons behind tummy time difficulties, how to improve tummy time with a simple at-home exercise you can do with your child. Find links to our tummy time course. Welcome to Movement Lesson. Find our links in the description below.
Nobody wants to go backwards on milestones. I'm not trying to push you backwards on milestones. I want a better foundation, okay? You have reflux, right? So there's issues with the breath-swallow ratio and all of that. And you have a big baby, okay? Big babies don't matter. However, they do matter when they're weighted. Big babies can move just like little babies, right? Sumo wrestlers are bigger than all of us and they can move better than ours. Weight doesn't matter as long as you have weight transfer, transitional skills, and rotation. But if you don't have those skills and you're trying to do more of a push-up, it doesn't matter how skinny you are, you're too heavy, right? And that's where the heaviness is. I don't want the tummy time to look like total chest on the belly. At 4 months, he should be doing airplane, which he's not. That's why we're getting it. He's here, and that's really going to break down your midline. If I look at water and I'm doing something like this, right? I have this nice, smooth transition of weight transfer, right? But what you've got going on with your little guy, especially because there's medication involved, and medications can make the system heavier, you're just going to be here, and you really want, see how that it's slower, right? If I have the water to this, the water can move more quickly, right? And here, and so you want that smoothness of weight transfer to get there. Right now he feels more like this, where again, this is a very heavy way to pick up this craft because look at where my weight's at, right? Versus here, see, I don't need as much muscles to do something like that. And this is where I talk to people about when the fluid dynamics are off on the babies, right? Again, you can try this at home. Just get a bottle of wine. Don't drink it, but this is heavy. I have to use a lot more muscles. When I engage my muscles, when I'm picking up a baby, I know exactly where I need to start. I wouldn't be doing anything different than I'm showing you how to do. What I want you to work on in the tummy time course, now I want you to do just like I'm doing with the doll. Add in this if it's not in the video. I want that face supported because I want the symmetry of the tummy time stuck. So you're here. The first thing is your weight transfer. But what I want you to do here is really work on that weight transfer. And then you're going to be with that midline. I'm not holding the face. I'm just guiding.
To learn more about optimal tummy time and find exercises you can do to improve development, find our links below.